Don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Good boy. Guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. I obviously don't have any kind of mascara or lashes on right now, and that's because today I'm going to be trying out the Eyelure London Magnetic Lashes. And these ones, they're different than the ones where you have two sets of lashes and sandwich your natural lashes between them, and they stick to each other with magnets. This one actually has eyeliner that the lashes are supposed to stick to, and I've seen other brands do this. It's really exciting that Eyelure came out with some because they're a lot more affordable than the $80 ones that I've seen online. Okay, so I'm gonna start putting on the liner. On the box it very specifically says that you have to apply 3 coats of this, and I think that's a little bit excessive, so it better work. It also says that you need to let each layer dry completely before you lay down a new one. So let's do that. Ooh, has a thicker kind of brush tip applicator. Looks like it might be a little bit difficult to get a thin line with it. Alright, that went on pretty well. It's pretty glossy right now, so I hope it dries down a little bit more matte. I'm gonna let that completely dry before going in with another coat. This side was a little bit trickier to put on because I'm left-handed. I can see how layering 3 coats of this though could make your eyeliner a little bit thicker. I think this eye's dry, so let's go in with our second coat. Alright, second coat on. Hi, bud. Oh, where'd your paw go? Oh, there it is! Alright, third coat, I'm gonna try to add a little bit of a wing this time to see if the brush is capable of doing that. So I'm done with the liner. It's kind of a thick and goopy formula, so wings were kind of hard to do, and when you do 3 layers on top of each other, the inner corner starts to get a little bit thick and it's a little bit messy. So I wonder if you'd be able to go in with your regular eyeliner first and then be able to layer this on top of that if you wanted to do a wing. That might work. As for the lashes themselves, I'm worried that they might be a little bit heavy because the lash line is so thick in order to compensate for the magnets themselves. And I'm worried that if your eye doesn't fit this lash band, that you're gonna have to trim off a lot in order to get to the next magnet, because otherwise I think that little free corner is just gonna be flying loose. But let's try it. Let's see if they fit. Oh my god. Wait. That was so cool. Let's do it again. You can like feel it hug your eye. Wait. Does that look good? I mean, the inner corner is a little wonky. Let's see if I can get my tweezers in. I think that's okay. I'll try one more time. See if I can get it any closer to the lash line. No, they're sticking to my tweezers. Careful with your tweezers. Might pull them off. So the only part on these that isn't clinging on the very best is this very inner corner, but I think if I made the eyeliner a little bit thicker in that inner corner, it might work better. The eyeliner got thicker on this eye anyways, so we'll see if this one makes it any better. This one is not wanting to go on quite as nicely. I'm gonna try to add a little bit more glue right there. Or not glue, eyeliner. Okay, so take 2, put a little bit more glue on my inner corner, and it still is drying down a little bit glossy. It's not as matte as I would like it. And it takes a long time to dry because the glue is, or it's not glue. I keep calling it glue. It takes a little bit longer to dry down because the liner is so thick and kind of gloopy. Okay, it did lay down a lot nicer that time. I'm still having a little bit of a pokey sensation right here. You can see it's not quite as flush with my lash line as my other one. That seemed to do it. These lashes themselves are really pretty. If they last all day, that'd be awesome because I do have really sensitive eyes, and so if I'm able to use a liner that's easier on my lashes and on my eyes than a typical glue, that'd be great. The lashes are really soft and fluffy. Okay, I'm gonna pop on some mascara really quick to kind of mesh my blonde lashes with these ones and even out my lower lash line. I'm just using the L'Oreal Bambi Eye Mascara. Alrighty, they feel comfortable right now. It is currently 4:28 p.m. and I'll check in with you guys later and we'll see how these are wearing. Hey guys, it is now 7:56 p.m. and so these lashes have been on for about 3.5 hours. And as you can probably tell, the inside of this lash popped up probably about an hour, hour and a half in. And so I wasn't super impressed with that. And it actually lifted the liner off. And so where the lashes came off, there's a big gap in the liner. and so I couldn't even attempt to stick it back down. I would have to go back in with liner, but I didn't want to do any touch-ups. I just wanted to show you guys how they wore as is. But this one held up pretty well. You can tell it lifted the liner a little bit in the corner, but I really want to keep using these and see if I can find any ways to get them to work better, see if I can find any ways to get the lash band to bend a little bit more and fit to my lash line, because this inner corner got pretty itchy right when I put them on. But this is obviously just a first impression, so I will have to keep testing them out and I will keep you guys updated. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on Wednesday.